Are you looking to enhance your cooking experience? Introducing the Wooden House Wooden Cooking Utensil Set. With 10 essential tools, this set meets all your cooking needs while offering durability and style. Crafted from 100% natural teak wood, these utensils are non-toxic, ensuring safe cooking for your family. Each piece has a smooth finish, making them comfortable to hold while cooking. Plus, they are heat-resistant and safe for non-stick pans, preventing scratches and damage. This complete set includes a flat frying spatula, wok spatula, slotted spatula, spaghetti server, serving spoon, mixing spoon, soup ladle, skimmer spoon, oil spoon, and salad fork. You'll always have the right tool at hand. Easy to clean and eco-friendly, simply wash them with warm soapy water. Unlike plastic alternatives, these wooden utensils are biodegradable and decay faster, making them a sustainable choice for your kitchen. With an ergonomic design, they fit comfortably in your hand for better control. Elevate your cooking game today with the Wooden House Wooden Cooking Utensil Set. Don't miss out on this deal. Order yours now for just $34.99, discounted from $65.99. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen tips. Your support motivates us to keep delivering the best content each week. Thank you for joining us.